Making money on YouTube without showing your face sounds kind of too good to be true, right? Well, I'm here to tell you it's 100% possible. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I'm building my own faceless YouTube automation business step by step. And I'm doing it by leveraging AI tools, of course, and paid media strategies that I've actually talked about on this channel that most people overlook. So if you ever wanted to build passive income with YouTube, this is a must watch. So what exactly is YouTube automation? It's basically a business model where you own and run a YouTube channel without creating content yourself. Instead, you outsource or automate the entire production process. So that's script writing, voiceovers, editing, and thumbnails. Basically, so that you can focus purely on strategy and scaling. You can think of it as running a digital media company rather than being a YouTuber. This basically allows you to scale, so much faster if you were really relying solely on your own content creation skills. And the best part is, once a system is in place, this can turn into a steady passive income stream. So channels that succeed in this model can generate thousands per month, and some even go on to make 6 or 7 figures per year. Before diving in, let's quickly cover essential YouTube terminology so that you understand how money is made. CPM, or cost per mil, is how much advertisers are willing to pay you per 1,000 ad impressions. RPM, or revenue per mil, is how much you actually make per 1,000 views after YouTube takes its cut. Watch time is the total minutes people spend watching your videos, and this is one of those biggest factors in ranking videos. And CTR, or click-through rate, is the percentage of people who click on your video after seeing the thumbnail. So a higher CTR equals more views, essentially. Now, when it comes to choosing a niche, not all of them are created equal. Some pay significantly more due to high advertiser demand. The highest paying niches include finance and investing, so stocks, crypto, budgeting, financial freedom videos. Those earn higher RPMs. Technology and AI, so new software tools, AI breakthroughs, gadget reviews, they're all in demand. Business and marketing, so entrepreneurship, sales, strategies, and online business case studies perform well. And health and self-improvement, so fitness, mental health, and biohacking have a loyal audience as of right now. Choosing the right niche can make or break your success. So if you're unsure what to pick, I recommend using Tube Magic to generate niche ideas automatically. Just enter a broad topic and it will suggest high RPM, low competition sub-niches instantly. Finding the right balance between profitability and audience demand is key. Here's where AI makes things really easy. With Tube Magic, you can generate viral video ideas in seconds based on trending topics. Get a full script written for you, formatted and structured for engagement, and use AI voiceovers so you don't need to record your own voice. Before I started using these kinds of AI tools specifically for YouTube, I spent hours brainstorming video topics, writing scripts, and tweaking every little detail. But now I can get a fully structured, optimized script in minutes. And this is a game changer for anyone looking to scale fast. But as a newbie, you still may experience a sense of overwhelm or anxiety from having to come up with the right topics or, knowing when to manage your time. And it's important to avoid burnout and stay consistent on YouTube. So you should take advantage of content batching, where basically you record a few videos on one session and schedule them out. Because most people fail at YouTube automation for 3 reasons. Again, burnout is a huge reason. Just trying to do too much too soon because you're excited or you've tried other business models and just know that this one's going to work for you. Start small first and build up. Also, not using the right tools. So AI tools like TubeMagic and automation software will really help streamline your process. Lean on them for help, especially early on when you don't really have much budget to work with. And as I mentioned, lack of consistency. So the algorithm rewards frequent uploads. So set a schedule and stick to it, whether it's once a week or every 2 weeks. Just make sure it's the same. Now, most YouTube automation creators rely solely on organic traffic, but here's the secret sauce. Paid ads can speed up everything. By running low-cost YouTube ads, I can boost watch time and engagement, which triggers the algorithm to recommend my content. get videos ranked faster in search and suggested feeds, and ultimately build a monetized channel much quicker than waiting for organic growth alone. If you're already familiar with paid media like myself, this gives you a huge advantage in YouTube automation. Many creators spend months or years growing a channel organically, but honestly, using even a small ad budget can accelerate your growth significantly. Now, let's talk about how to get paid in YouTube automation. The four main ways for YouTubers to get paid are as follows: AdSense, which is earning money from YouTube ads, higher RPM equals more revenue per 1,000 views; affiliate marketing, so promoting tools like TubeMagic for recurring commissions; sponsorships or brand deals, so brands will pay for product mentions or dedicated videos; and selling digital products, so courses, ebooks, templates, and online training programs. I'm personally testing affiliate marketing and AdSense as my top revenue sources right now. And the best thing about affiliate marketing is that you can earn passive commissions for months or even years after publishing one video. And if you want to start monetizing immediately, AI softwares like TubeMagic can let you create affiliate friendly content effortlessly. So if you're ready to start your own faceless YouTube business, try TubeMagic for free using my link below. You'll get a 7-day free trial so you can test everything out before committing. Let me know what you think of it, and you might start seeing many more YouTubers talk about it because it actually works. It's not just one of those links you try to get people to click because you get a referral bonus. This is the software I've been using every week for the last 4 months, and I've created all of my videos, tags, SEO optimized descriptions, and even thumbnail ideas with it. I just wanted to share this value with you in case you found it helpful, and to get this quick video out so you can check it out in case you're wanting to just get started with YouTube or just an automated YouTube business but don't know where to start. Here's a good place. I'll also be sharing my real earnings and real results in an upcoming video, so subscribe if you want to see exactly how this plays out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.